The bar is a metaphor, it's a visual representation of how teams must pursue every student's mastery of essential skills and competencies. It's a visual metaphor for how to pursue high levels of learning for every student. We define high levels of learning in this context as mastery of essential skills and competencies. In every course and every content area, a team must come to agreement on the learning outcomes that are deemed essential. And those essential outcomes are defined by targets students must master to have success at the next grade level, the next course, the high stakes assessment where applicable, and life beyond the K-12 system. Now, once you have that visual, this bar is unlike other bars we typically hear about. This is not a bar that gets raised or lowered. This bar is static. It's still. It's made up of those targets every student must master. And therefore, it kind of creates this visual of the mission of a team. The mission of a team is to establish that bar and then take every student to and through the bar.